Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this vlog you will find bright lights, endless walkways, and some of the beautiful shops you've ever seen inside a shopping center. Welcome to the beautiful mall located in Ras Al Khaimah. So, viewers, whether you are here for the retail therapy, the people watching, or just to enjoy the aesthetic, there is something entirely therapeutic about a mall walk. I can't wait to show you my favorite spots, especially a souvenir shop where I found interesting tourist gifts. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and stretch those legs. We are going hit the floors right now. All right, we are officially inside the mall. First of all, look at this massive glass ceiling which letting all the natural light in. It completely changes the vibe. This massive central atrium is completely next level. The roof opens up into this stunning giant pinwheel design made of glass and steel. Look at how the desert sunlight just streams right through the panels. It doesn't give stuffy indoor malls feel. It is the perfect place to grab a coffee, catch the sunbeams, and just soak in the energy. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Would you hang out under a skylight like this? Let's take a quick detour down this quieter side wing. Sometimes that's where the best local shops hide.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله حبيبي ما شاء الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله حبيبي ما شاء الله جميل وتخزي العين شاهد الله جميل وتخزي العين شاهد الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله حبيبي ما شاء الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله حبيبي ما شاء الله جميل وتخزي العين شاهد الله جميل وتخزي العين شاهد الله.
I wish we could find something interesting here. I'm really excited to explore. Yeah, this shop looks interesting. Let's get in and explore it. Every single piece here tells a story. From the hand-carved details to the vibrant patterns, these aren't just souvenirs. They are tiny pieces of history you can take home with you. If you love discovering hidden cultural gems like this, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which of these decorations would you pick for your home? So, viewers, now as you can see, we are in the supermarket of the mall. This place is absolutely massive and it has pretty much everything you could ever imagine under one roof. We are started off in the fresh produce section. As you saw how vibrant all those fruits and vegetables were, everything is beautifully arranged and the variety here is incredible. Now, this is my absolute favorite part, the pickle and olive bar. The smell here is amazing. They have got rows of traditional pickled veggies, spiced olives, and authentic Mediterranean side dishes that you can buy by the weight. Wow, check out the fish section. It feels like a fresh seafood market right inside the mall. You can find everything from local catches to exotic fish on ice and ready to go. Moving away from the food section, we are heading into the massive household and personal care aisles. This side of the supermarket has absolutely every daily essential you could possibly need.